Eli tervetuloa kaikki meidän keittiömestarit Jan ja Rasmus Höönöltä Tanskasta, Roland Schwegler Autoshamilta USAsta ja James Benger Manitologilta USAsta. Kaikki he edustavat edistyksellisiä innovatiivisia laitteita, käyttäjäystävällisiä laitteita, helppoja ratkaisuja. Päivän tarkoituksena on antaa vinkkejä uunien ominaisuuksien laajempaan hyödyntämiseen, eli helpommin, tehokkaammin, nopeammin, edullisemmin. Heidän tarkoituksensa on kertoa meille uusista resepteistä, valmistustavoista ja antaa käytännön vinkkejä. Avainsanoja ehkä tälle päivälle voisi olla kuinka parantaa katetta, vähentää hävikkiä, laajentaa ruokakonsepteja ynnä muuta. Herrat kertovat lisää sitten paljon tämän päivän aikana.
When you do fish, it's very important to take care of a delicate product like a fish. So we recommend that you lower the temperature to not force the proteins, the egg whites from the fish to come out. And if you look here, we have perfectly cooked fish, which is still very moist and juicy. You will have the opportunity to taste this for lunch, so we'll keep the expectations a little bit. But we normally tend to say that this is the best cooked salmon in the world if you do it this way. So you have something to look forward to. But if you look also, the shrink is very little and you have a minimized amount of proteins coming out. So maintaining the proteins inside the fish actually gives you the juiciness but also the flavor.
We have a lot of, and I'm sure here too, gas stations where you go in the morning and you buy an Egg McMuffin. Egg McMuffin is already done. The eggs are done, the cheese is there, the bread's toasted, everything is done, but it's not hot. Most of the times they put it in the microwave. I don't like anything from the microwave. So what we do is, what these stores do, they take those Egg McMuffins and they put it in a unit like this, bring it back to temperature and leave it in there. You can leave it in there all day. It will not dry out, it will not cook no more, because you can hold it at 75 or 80 degrees. So you will never be, let's say one day you have a lot of customers, you will never run out, because you always have plenty of it.
This oven is the Icon Chef Icon E4. Now this one is 15 times quicker. You can hear it's a little bit noisier than this one because it has 3 cooking technologies. We have hot air, we have microwave, and we have impingement. Now impingement is where we have 2 plates, one at the top, one at the bottom, and they have holes in each plate, and we're forcing hot air through those holes up to 70 miles an hour. We can reduce that or increase that depending on the food and how you want the food to be cooked. As we look at the common features of both of these ovens, we have a badge, and underneath the badge here is a USB port, so we can transfer data to and from our ovens using a generic USB key. You don't need to buy any special branded one, you can use a normal USB key. We also have the common on and off switches. We have the common easy touch screens here as well. This means that the engineer is carrying less parts in his van if he needs to come and repair your ovens. So everything's all common inside the oven and on the outside of the oven as well.